Hi and welcome to the Nature Villa POKU. Beautifully integrated into the surroundings, this cabin offers a sauna, outdoor bathtub and fireplace. But let's start on the other side, where a wooden walkway surrounded by pure nature leads to the entrance. The villa consists of 7 different sized rooms, all with beautiful vaulted ceilings. We start with a stylish lounge and its unique atmosphere. Now let's swing over to the bedroom and enjoy the gorgeous view of the scenic wetland you have when waking up in the morning or when spending time on the cozy window seat. Passing the minibar and coffee maker, we catch a first glimpse of the sauna on the left and end up in the stylish bathroom with an attached shower. Let's turn around and have a closer look at one of the highlights, the beautiful Estonian sauna. What's best after a hot sauna session? Exactly, cooling off in the outdoor bathtub. Then we have a seating area which is covered for rainy days, but the best area to enjoy nature is out there. The last highlight I'm going to show you, the wonderful terrace with a fireplace. That's it from Maidla Nature Resort. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.